Okay, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we've got my good friend, one of my business partners, Hans, on. Hello, Hans, are you there?
Hi, Simon.
Okay, great. Okay, well, this is a quick recording. I'm recording this Zoom call. We're basically with GPay, and I'm going to show you how to literally purchase one of the products in GPay. So you can cash out your crypto. It is a brilliant company. They've got a great card that you can cash out with, and you cash out your crypto anywhere in the world where the MasterCard logo is. And I'm going to show you how this works now. So with that, just bear with me, guys, and we'll go into the products here. So once we've logged in, we obviously open an account first, and then we're clicking on products. Okay, and you can see here you can get the basic from just $100. Okay, there is a $20 charge for delivery of the card, just so you're aware of that. And basically, what we're doing here is you can see here there's a 300 one, there's a 10,000, 4,000, and the elite. Okay, now the price of the token at the moment in the pre-launch, as I'm recording this, is just 0.01. On the launch, it'll go to 0.05. So I'm obviously, I highly recommend getting the largest package that you can, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to show you. And you get 10.2.5% interest per year. You're going to get 1 million tokens. Is that correct, Hans?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so we get 1 million. So basically, Hans, okay, do you want to just direct me through this?
Yes, now you can press buy now, and we can then you can use the USDT
Okay, so
BNB Smart or with the Tron.
So we're going to use, so this is how you buy your product. You need one of these, obviously, cryptos, either USDT BNB Smart Chain or USDT Tron. I've been using the first one, and it's been working perfect. So we're going to do that now. I'm going to show you there. Click on there, and then it's the 10,000, and then this is the address we copy. This is where we're going to send the 10,000 to. So that's copied, and then I'm going to hop into my Trust wallet, okay? So in my Trust wallet, I've already got USDT here, okay? And we're going to click on send. I'm going to send 10,000 though. So first we need to enter the address, which we've copied already. Then we're going to enter 10,000. Okay.
Yes.
And it's got, it says 9,000. See there, it says 9,999, just below that.
That's okay.
It's okay. Okay. It'll get the 10,000, right? Yes, so we've got the 10,000. We've got the address. We click on next. Okay. We can always. I always like to just do a snapshot of the transaction, which I've just done there. Okay. So that's the total. Okay. Are we good to go? So we click on confirm. Okay. So it's processing.
Now we go in the GPay app.
Okay, so now we go back to, okay, so the status is still pending at the moment.
And it's recommended that
it's completed.
The Trust wallet is coming the whole amount.
Yeah, and it's completed as well. It just completed there as well. So now we're going to log into my GPay account. Look, see that? It's already arrived. See that? That's arrived. So there we have
Congratulations.
it. Again, that's what it was showing me there. So now we've got another 1 million tokens. I already bought this basic package as well. So literally, we just go into the home page. And that's it. Welcome back.
Shortly, you will see here.
Yeah, well, it's got it there. Your token. Yeah, it's 10,000.
Maybe make a refresh from the page.
Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, it's already showing, isn't it? Does it?
Shortly is showing here. Okay, maybe you go into the.
Well, I'll just quickly just do a bit of a tour around. You can see I've topped up my card 1,800. Okay, I've got 1,800. This is in pounds. It shows the dollar sign on here, guys, but that is actually a pound. Okay, and you can change the country. This arrow here Okay, just so you're aware of that. A little bit of training here. So I've got, that is £1,801, and you can see, click on the transaction. I've just been to the coffee shop and used it. So cost of coffee there. It's in Mexican pesos, just so you're aware of that. It doesn't matter. It can, you know, you can use xe.com so you can work out what the conversions are. But you can see there, as you can see, I've been buying, you know, motorsport, coffees, meats, health shop. I've even got some cash out. So it works great. Wherever the MasterCard is, you can use this. It's brilliant. So shall we do a top up? Shall we top up another 1,000? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So to top up, okay, do you want to just direct us through this? We click on top up.
Yes, top up.
Okay, and you can see there what I've already put in already. Okay, I'm going to top up 1,000. Yeah. So we type in 1,000. Okay, this is $1,000 US, and then we click on top up, and then we click on the BNB. This is what I'm doing, the USDT. Okay, and then this is the wallet address. Okay, so I'm going to click that. That's copied. Okay, copied, and I'm going to log into my Trust Wallet. Okay, and we're going to click on back to the USDT. Okay, which we've got UST, yeah, and we're going to click on send. We're going to paste it through again. Very easy to do. I'm going to send 1,000. 1, 2, that's 1,000. Click on next. Okay. Again, I always take a quick shot there. We're all good to go there. I'm going to click on confirm. And that's it. It's processing. You can see there.
Now we go to the GPay back office.
Okay, so now we go to GPay again. GPay. And we go, oh, yeah, there we go. See it arrived? So that's it. So it's arrived. Arrived. Now we click on here. We click on balances. And you can see I got £2,500 now. So I had 1,800 before. We've got 2,522, which we can just go and cash out, use the card anywhere. Absolutely brilliant. Very easy to use. Just need to understand the basics, use the right blockchains, and you're all good to go. So again, anything that you would like to add to that, you can see there now my balance is 10 million. See that? It's updated. See that, Hans? So I got 10 million tokens, and I got them, remember, at this price at the moment. Okay, we're in pre-launch 0.01. When this launches, it's going to go to 0. It's going to start at 0.05. That's the 5x. Yeah. So based on my math, that's a $40,000 profit straight away. And remember, in 12 months' time, think about the price potential of these tokens. Okay, we've got a great physical real card that is massive in demand. People want to be able to cash out their crypto. The great thing here, there's no KYC, which is excellent. And a lot of people do like that. It's global. A lot of people who are unbanked, can't get bank accounts. They need to pay bills. This card is brilliant. So I see this, I potentially see this token going to easily doing a 10x, maybe even 100x. So we can do the math on that. We get 100x. We're going to be smiling. So, Hans, have you got anything else you'd like to share?
Please, you can repeat the question.
Have you anything else that you'd like to share with anybody else?
You can see here that your token balance now is 1,010,000 GPay token. And this is the right number, what you have now in your account, but it's now in staking for 1 year. And after 1 year, you can use it and sell them, and with a high with a better rate, I think, because now the value is $1 and when the project is out, $5.
Exactly. And the other thing also, remember, okay, you're getting interest of 10.25% a year anyway. Okay, so whatever the value of the token is, you're still getting an interest there, which you compare that to any bank account. You know, you basically, I know it's tiny, it's very small. So it's a great product, guys, great opportunity, and a great product that solves a lot of people's problems, how to cash out their crypto. So again, now you know how to do it. You want to get in before, depending when you're watching this, even if it's after the launch and you're in the launch, okay, this is still a great token that we only see the price going up because the 30% of the tokens will be burned every 6 months. The demand obviously is going to go up and the supply is going to go down. So that's going to make the price go up. That's just what happens, guys. Okay. Similar, we know Bitcoin is limited to 21 million. Okay. Here, limit is, I think it's 1 billion tokens. But remember, 30% of them are burned every 6 months. Okay, Hans. Well, thank you very much for sharing, this Zoom with me. And again, if you're watching this for the first time, you want to learn more about how GPay works, then get back to either myself or Hans or the person who shared this video with you, and we'll help you get started and get one of these cards in your hand so you can use it and spend your crypto. So thanks, Hans. Thanks very much for your time. God bless you all. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Perfect. Great. Congratulations.
You're welcome. It was good. Okay, great. Okay, so basically, we got that done now. Everything's working great. I'm going to get my wife set up, okay, with another card, and then I'm going to get her done. Get 10,000. We're going to do. We're off to Spain for about 3.5 weeks tomorrow, so we'll do it over in Spain. I'll probably do another call with you just to make sure we do it all correctly. Yeah.
And the other cards you are received, the other cards, the
yeah, I
10
got the
cards.
cards. Yeah, I did get the cards. Yeah. So
You have the cards now in your hands.
yeah, I've got 10 cards. My wife's going to have one. My son's going to have one. So I'll have 8 left. And then if people, when I'm meeting people or whatever, a while, I can, get them an account set up pretty quick. Yeah.
Maybe you can give the cards on your best leaders when you have the cards in your hand now. That you give just the cards today before you leave UK to your best leaders and activate the cards. In this way, these leaders can start the work.
Well, that's right.
Important.
I mean, there's quite a lot of people have asked for information. There's only, like at the moment, there's only 5 people set up. So this is why I wanted to do lots of these videos, seeing me buy it. This will be a very good video to share with everybody so they can see it's for real. Okay. So we want to get more people, buying the cards. But yeah, I'll send the cards out whoever needs them fast. Yeah. Okay. So somebody buys the card. When people buy a package, they will get the company send out the card to them, do they?
Normally, so in every country we have an ambassador, and the ambassador in UK is Ivan. Ivan, you know him. The last Zoom call with Andre, and I think that Ivan gift to you or send it to you 10 cards. You have a receipt card.
I've got the cards. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's great. Yeah. So I can send them out to people as they need them. Yeah. Okay. Great. All right. Okay. Well, thanks. Yeah, Hans. We are all good to go. And again, we locked in them 1 million tokens, which is good. And we'll do another Zoom in the next day or 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.